Hi, my lovelies. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, Annie Ami. So, today we will be cutting this wonderful female bomber jacket. So, to see how I was able to get this result, please come to the cutting table with me. So, I went ahead to take my shoulder measurement divided by 2 and marked it. The next thing I did was to come down by 1 inch. Then I connected to the neck width. So the neck measurement I took for the front was 3 inches, 3 inches by width and 3 inches by depth. And for the back, 3 inches by width, then 1.5 inches by depth. For the depth, sorry. I made sure I had the same measurements on the bust. So to get my armhole, what I did was to come up by 2 inches from the bust point. Then I ruled a line, then connected it to the shoulder measurement. Then I had to find out the midpoint of the shoulder. Then I connected. So what I did was my bust on the bust line, I did my bust divided by 4 plus 3 inches because it's going to be a free jacket, not a fitted jacket. And remember, it's not going to have any that is a free jacket. So I went ahead to connect the armhole. So what I have on the bust point is the same thing. The same measurement I'm going to impute on the waistline, which is the length of the jacket. So the length of the jacket is altogether is 27 inches, though I had to minus 3 inches because we're going to be adding a band below, yeah, below on the jacket, which is on the lower part. So I went ahead to cut this out. I added half an inch for sewing allowance at the shoulder part. So after that, I'll go ahead and cut it out. So please take note, this was the back drafting. I had to draft out the back first. After drafting the back, I'll use it to draft the front. So while drafting the front, we're going to be adding half inch for zipper allowance. Remember, we have zip at the front, so we're going to be adding half inch. So the reason why we're adding half inch for the zipper allowance is because it's going to be an inseam sewing. So as time goes on, you understand better what I'm trying to explain. So I've gone ahead to fold my material ready to draft the front. So I'm going to place this back at the front, but I'm going to leave half inch allowance at the front and make sure I have up to half inch. But if you prefer to do 1 inch, it's okay. But what I did was half inch, so I'll make sure I have half inch all through, then connect it with a ruler before cutting out. So the front and the back is the same thing. The only difference is the zipper allowance at the front, which is half inch. Please take notes. After that, I'll go ahead and cut it out. So here I'm drafting the sleeve. It's not going to be a detailed video. So after doing that, I'll go ahead and cut lining for all this piece. I'm going to cut lining for the front, for the back, for the sleeve. So after that, I'll go ahead and cut it out. And I'm also going to add 3 inches um, allowance, both for the sewing and for ease on the sleeve. I added 3 inches while drafting the front, also 3 inches while drafting the back, and 3 inches while drafting the sleeve, because it's going to be a free jacket, not if not a fitted one. So here I'm cutting out the lining because it's going to be lined, like every part of it aside from the band. And also remember, the sleeve is also going to have a band, just like a stretchy band. So the length of the sleeve is 24 inches. I went ahead to reduct 3 inches from the sleeve while cutting. I'm sorry guys, so this video is going to have a part 2, as I don't want it to be too long. See you in my next video. Bye.